Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. As you can see, today we are doing something really tasty. Oh, this soup is really good. You have to try this recipe. It's lovely. As you can see, I had it with fufu, with plantain fufu, and it's so delicious. It's very flavorful. Oh my goodness, it's lovely. It will amaze you how delicious this soup is. It's Ghanaian light soup and it's so good. So come along with me guys and let's do this. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Just come along with me and let's do this. So guys, I have my goat meat and I'm spicing it up with some ginger, garlic, onion powder, and also some black pepper and white pepper. And I'll add a bit of salt to it and some oil also as well, just to cover it nicely. Now what I'm doing is to put this into the oven so that it will roast nicely and it tastes amazing. So the secret to this soup is roasting my goat meat. It tastes lovely. I put that into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius until it's nicely roasted. Right guys, I have my saucepan in the stove with my pig feet. This pig feet that's been boiled a bit to take out the salt, because if you put it inside your soup, into your soup, it will be so salty. So normally I boil it a little bit to take out the salt. I'm going to add some tomatoes and some spices, some onions. I'll put them all in the description box so that I want it to cook a little bit so that the spices will go into the meat. So guys, checking on my soup. Oh, it smells so good, guys. It smells amazing. The aroma is so good, I tell you. I'm going to add some tomato puree to it as well, just a little bit to give it color. Yeah, so and I'm going to add my goat meat. Look at it. It's roasted nicely and it tastes amazing. It is still remunam. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Lovely. So put that in. Now I'm going to add some garden eggs. Okay? And I'm going to add some onions as well. So it will just cook with the soup, and then I'll take it out and blend it later. So I'll allow it to boil a little bit. Checking on my soup, the aroma is amazing. I'm adding prekese, this Aidan fruit. It gives your soup a really lovely aroma, guys, and it's medicinal as well, so it's lovely to use it. I'm adding some herrings as well. This is dried fish, and I'm also adding some fish-Adwene, also smoked fish. Guys, this soup is amazing. You have to try this recipe. It's so good, guys, and it smells amazing in here. So I'll allow this to simmer a little bit and then our soup will be done. So guys, our soup is done. As you can see, guys, it tastes amazing and the aroma is so lovely. Right, so you have to try this recipe. It's delicious and you can have it with anything of your choice. It's Ghanaian light soup. It's delicious, it's healthy. As you can see, there's not a lot of oil really on the soup, on the surface of the soup, because I did roast the goat meat, so it took a lot of fat from the goat meat. So you want a healthy soup like this, try roasting your meat. I tell you, you are going to love it. So guys, as you can see here, our food is ready. It's lovely. You're all invited. If you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do share this, guys. It's lovely. Share it. And please, when you subscribe, put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.